Eric.Christen with Vacasa Real Estate in Fort Walton Beach, Destin, Florida. I was just making this video to see who wants to live on a magical street in Sparkleberry, Cove. This is house 802, it's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, right in Niceville, Florida, which is one of the nicest cities in the United States. Like, I'm not even making that up. You can't beat that name. It's close to Eglin Air Force Base, Herbert Field, Duke Field. All the bases are right. I mean, Niceville's just right in the center of them. This is also very close to Northwest Florida College, just right up the street. Great location in Niceville and not far from the beach, 30 minutes to be right on the beach. So I wanted to give you a quick tour. Check this house out. It's listed for $399. Really hard find for a 4-bedroom anywhere in this area under $400,000. Let's check it out.